In this video, I'm going through the different types of street motorcycles out there for beginners or those who are looking to change up their current style. Hey, I'm Lavatronn, and on this channel you get quick motorcycle how-tos, product reviews, and tips to keep you safe. Be sure to hit that subscribe button for more like this. Let's go. So the first type of street motorcycle is the standard or naked motorcycle. This is a very popular style because of their straightforward design. These motorcycles also can be used in various situations. They also provide a lot of comfort and can easily take on most motorcycle luggage. These bikes also don't have many fairings on them, hence the name naked. Think of the SV650 or even my Ducati Scrambler as one of these. The next type of motorcycle is the cruiser. These motorcycles were simply created with the intention of cruising, which is how they got their name. Cruisers generally have lower seat heights than most other motorcycle types. These bikes can also take some luggage, which is great for trips. Some great cruisers are the Harley-Davidson Sportster, the Indian Scout, or the Honda Rebel lineup. Third, we have the sport bike. Sport bikes are fully faired and basically designed with speed and agility in mind. These bikes feature higher forward-leaning positions that help emphasize this fact. This style is usually a lot lighter than most as they are made with a lot of lightweight components. Sport bikes work best for fully setting it on the track, but also can do short commutes. These bikes are also a lot more powerful in performance than the bikes previously mentioned, so it's advised for beginners to stay below 500 cc's. Next style we have is touring and sport touring. The touring style is built much larger than other motorcycles and easily maintains highway speeds. They're designed to be ready for cross-country trips with plenty of storage and comfort that keeps you in the saddle for hours on end. Think of the Honda Goldwing as a tourer. The sport tourer is pretty much the same concept except that it looks more sporty. They have higher seat height but have a lot more space to carry things than a regular sport bike would. Think of the Yamaha FJR 1300 or the Kawasaki Concourse 14. Be sure to hit that like button if you've gotten this far. The next type is the adventure motorcycle. Like tourers, this style of motorcycle is built with comfort for long distance riding, but they offer just a bit more. From the factory, ADV bikes usually come fitted with more aggressive tires and crash protection, which makes these great for trips or commutes. But also these bikes can go off-road. Think of the Yamaha Tenere 700 or the BMW GS 650. The final style of street motorcycle is the dual sport. This type of motorcycle is designed to go anywhere you want and to do whatever you want. They have on-road focus features like a horn, mirrors, and lights, but they do also have off-road features such as knobby tires and off-road suspension. These do sit upright, but a lot higher than most other motorcycles. Think of the Suzuki DRZ or the Yamaha XT250. So what's your favorite style of motorcycle? Let me know down below in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, ride safe and see you next time.